talk us through what then?
All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, we're back together. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision.
About where he was headed, who was expecting him there, whether he had a timetable. Paul mentioned that he'd been in the Navy, he was recently discharged, and everything was going along quite well.
Going through the motions, I'm dreaming of the ocean as I swim above a riverbed. Life is so fraudulent. Towel off my guilt as I shuffle through the silt. Draw a line in the sand. Wonder where I should stand.
What's happened is
I don't wanna be the one who's loose with all the bad news. It's not mine to tell. I'm not a vessel, I'm a shell, full of dark matter with just a smattering of a warm glow. It's the only thing I'll let show. Do I sit by myself, ask for quiet for help? Do I lie on a couch, let someone figure me out? 'Cause I'm getting tired of this feeling, tired of this feeling.
detailer. You never get enough appreciation.
Suburbs of
Alright.
Going through the motions, I'm playing with devotion, but it just doesn't sit right. Belief is just a closed mind.
Bill Newell from Open Cop remembers arresting Ivan Meyer for his first offence as a
Should I sit by myself, ask the quiet for help? Do I lie on a couch, let someone figure me out? 'Cause I'm getting tired. Now I'm getting tired of this feeling, tired of this feeling.
where he was exposed to in the 1960s. It wouldn't have been a difficult place to expose to, but yeah, he was certainly in that environment, very harsh situation.
Sound alright?
That changes, but he went to Grafton Prison, which was the most notorious prison of its era, where prisoners were routinely bashed to quite an extreme degree, so much so that they had a royal commission about it. But yeah,
This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get, so why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting?
For being kind
They
of
say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers, it's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt, all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say they have the answers, but no one's getting